Welcome to CompuCare India. This is the demo of Andon system. We are the manufacturer of Andon system solution. It is used in manufacturing and production units to attend to breakdowns immediately whenever the abnormality in production is arise. This is the Andon station. It can have more than one number of problems. And this is the Andon Light for visual indication of the status. So when the production line will face a problem, the person at the line will raise the defined problem by pressing the problem button. The alert will be sent to the concerned department through email, SMS or alarm alert. They will also receive the alert on the FEMES dashboard. The problem button is now raised and the FEMES dashboard will appear like this. This is the live dashboard of FE, and now as you can see, the arise problem has been updated in the platform. As the maintenance problem is raised, the maintenance department person will arrive at the production line and will confirm the problem by pressing the acknowledge button. Again, the real-time alert will be sent to the FEMES dashboard. The acknowledge button is pressed and here you will see the update. As you can see, the MES application has already also updated the system. After the problem is attended and solved, the person will depress both the buttons to confirm that now the problem is solved. The same will be updated in the software too. The person can also add remarks while acknowledging the problems, so that which type of problem is there, he can add everything and other notes to it also. Buttons are now depressed and the FEMES dashboard will also update the same. So now the person who is seeing the dashboard will also know that the production line is now working smoothly. This is how the wireless Andon system works. It is very beneficial in finding and analyzing the factory big losses. It reduces the production downtime while increasing the productivity. You will also get the automated real-time reports and history through the FEMES platform. Thank you for watching. If you have any queries, kindly reach out to our experts.